Hello, I'm Nivedita, founder of Resilient Minds Hub and a mindset coach for civil services aspirant. For over 12 years, I have mentored hundreds of students in preparation journey, not just academically, but mentally, emotionally, and energetically. Because here is the truth nobody tells you. It's not the syllabus that breaks you. It's the stress, self-doubt, and emotional roller coaster of this long journey. And that's where I come in. On this channel, I will teach you how to train your brain like a high performer using a powerful blend of neuroscience-backed strategies, ancient Indian wisdom. Start with this free series, Brain Performance Mastery, and watch your clarity, confidence, and focus shift within these days. And if you are serious about going deeper, book a one-to-one strategy call with me. In just 30 minutes, we will uncover what's blocking your performance and create a clear plan to reset your mind. Hit a subscribe, watch the full playlist. All the links are in the description. Let me ask you something important. When your mind feels foggy, distracted, or slow, do you blame your food? Because you should. Food is not just fuel, it's focus, it's memory, and it's mood in disguise. Let's look at the science. Your brain and gut are deeply connected through something called the gut-brain axis. That means what you eat affects how you feel, how you digest affects how you think, and what you drink affects your memory and mental energy. And when your brain is low on hydration or overloaded with sugar, it doesn't think clearly. It crashes. It gets foggy and irritated. So let's talk about hydration. Did you know that even a 1 to 2% drop in hydration can reduce your brain performance up to 20%? Yes, 20%. Most students don't need another book. They need more water. Water helps deliver nutrients to your brain, clear out toxins, and maintain mood and concentration. So if you feel dull, sleepy, or stuck while studying, ask yourself, have I had enough water today? Now let's bring ancient wisdom. In Ayurveda, both food and drink are seen as a prana, life force. Rishis followed sattvic diet, clean, light, nourishing foods that calmed the mind and sharpened awareness. They drank water stored in copper vessels, ate warm food with ghee, and consumed herb like tulsi, brahmi to enhance brain clarity. Even today, Ayurveda recommends starting the day with copper charged water that supports mental calm, clarity, and stamina. Let me give you a 3 easy brain superfood to begin with. First, soaked almond improve memory, focus, and brain aging. Second, a teaspoonful of ghee nourishes brain tissue and supports calmness. Third, tulsi tea or brahmi tea balances your nerves, reduces anxiety, and clears the mind. You can add more later, but first start with these 3 for this week. And here is a simple task for today. Step 1. Start your day with 1 glass of copper water kept overnight. Step 2. Include at least 2 of these brain superfood in your daily meals. And step 3. Put this sticky note on your study desk. What I eat and drink become how I think. Your brain is listening, not just to your thoughts, but also to your habits, hydration, and nutrition. Don't forget to subscribe this channel by Nivedita. Dive into the full brain performance mastery playlist and book one-to-one call to reset your brain and unlock your true potential. You have got the knowledge and it's time to build your mindset. So let's build your resilient mind together. Thank you.